Ah, humans. Always making grand decisions, yet they often get tangled up in the tiniest of details. Let me take you back to 1776. A new nation is being born, but what will its symbol be? The eagle or the turkey? I witnessed it all, of course.
The eagle. It represents strength and freedom. It rules the skies. What could better symbolize our new nation?
The eagle? Ha! It's nothing but a thief. It steals fish from honest birds. Is this the kind of nation we want to represent?
Franklin, you're being overly dramatic. The eagle is a noble creature. It suits the New World perfectly.
What about the turkey? The turkey is a virtuous bird, brave, hardworking, a true native of this land.
Oh, Benjamin Franklin. A bold man indeed. But a turkey? Who could have guessed it would cause such a stir among these humans?
You're proposing the turkey, our national symbol, Thanksgiving dinner.
Don't mock me, Jefferson. The turkey is an honorable bird. It's no phony aristocrat like the eagle.
But Franklin, the people love the eagle. We need to come to a consensus here. You won't find anyone to vote for the turkey.
That doesn't bother me, but mark my words, history will prove me right.
Was Franklin right? Who's to say? But in the end, the eagle won. Humans chose it because, well, it just looked cooler. And the turkey, well, it still holds a place of honor on their dinner tables. Sometimes a thief, sometimes a hero. That's the choice they made. But one thing's certain. If Franklin had won, this story would have turned out quite differently. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have other historical nonsense to observe.